Hey guys, the recipe that I'm going to be sharing today is egg-free, no yeast donuts. Now I know a lot of people who have a fear of making donuts at home because it takes a long time to make them. But the recipe that I'm going to be sharing today does not have yeast in it, which means it just takes a little time for you to make them in your kitchen. So let's begin. I'm going to be adding 1 cup Maida or all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon vanilla powder, 1 tablespoon soft butter, 2 tablespoons homemade yogurt which is not very thick. Now I'm using my hands to mix and shape this into a dough. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of warm milk to shape this into a dough. You might need 2 tablespoons of milk depending on the quality of flour that you have. I needed just 1 tablespoon since my flour was super fine and my yogurt was slightly liquidish. Shape it into a dough which is not too loose nor too hard so that we can roll it out and shape them. I've taken a portion of the dough and rolling it out slightly thick. Using a donut cutter, I am cutting out the donuts. Take out the extra from the sides and you can use it for your next donut. Now I'm going to be showing you how to cut out the donuts if you do not have a donut cutter. Just use a cookie cutter to shape the donuts. And use an icing nozzle that you use for frosting your cakes and cut out the center hole. I'm also cutting out a donut without the center hole. This actually gives me the entire base of the donut to decorate and make some nice designs. I'm going to be showing you how to make these designs once my donuts are fried. Now let's fry our donuts. Drop them carefully into hot oil and deep fry them until they are nice and golden on both sides. And you'll realize while frying that the donuts will slightly puff up, and that is what makes them fluffy and airy, just like the yeast-based donuts. And now comes my most favorite part, which is decorating the donuts. I have 2 bowls of melted chocolate, milk and dark, and I'm simply going to be coating the donuts with this chocolate. And all I need to do now is to take some white melted chocolate in a piping bag and drizzle it on top of the donuts to give them some nice designs. In fact, the spider web-like design is one of my most favorite designs on the donuts. I'm showing you one more design by coating my donuts with white melted chocolate and decorating it with some colorful sprinklers on top. My donuts look absolutely gorgeous. So I really do hope that you love this video, and if you do plan to make them in your kitchen, don't forget to tag me on your social media handle, and I shall be back soon with a new recipe.